How to design t-shirt in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to design a t-shirt in Canva. First you want to make sure you're logged in. Then you want to click on create a design and just enter t-shirt. As you can see, you've got all kinds of options here, from a normal t-shirt, Christian t-shirt, sports t-shirt, etc. For now, I just want to go to the normal t-shirt. You click on this, you'll be directed into a new page. On the left, there are all kinds of templates you can use. Some of them are free, some of them are for the pro. And here you can find all kinds of themes. So we have Halloween, fall, retro, Christmas, vintage, sports, coffee. Let's say we want to do something for sports. You've got a number of options. Again, some of them are free, some of them aren't. Let's say we want to use this one. And as you can see here, it will be put on here. You can adjust it if you want. You can change the colors. You can edit the photo. You can change the line. Say we want to put in Max Verstappen. We want to change the background color, for example, to red. That's not helpful because this was red. If you want, on the left, you can put in all kinds of elements, stickers, graphics, lines, shapes, whatever you want. The next option, you can put in a text box, or you can use a template, and of course you can alter it to your own wishes. And maybe you have a 50th birthday of your father and you want to put in his face on your shirt, and here you can drag media into, and after that you can upload it to the t-shirt design, or you can just click on upload files. And once you're completely satisfied with the results, you can click on share, download, and if you click on download and you have to selected the right options, you can click on download and it will be downloaded. Another function what you can do is print t-shirts via Canva. So you go to the design. As you can see, here is an example of how it looks like. You can make it bigger. As you can see, Max Verstappen. You can also select a back one. You can do the same for the back if you want. And of course, you can make multiple designs to select the front and the back of the t-shirt. Want to select this man, woman, youth, toddler, infant. The color, well, let's say the color right. You see it changes to red. The size, how many shirts you want. And after you can go to the chart, you can check out, you can pay, and it will be ordered to you straight away. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.